Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to change YouTube channel link and how you can create a pop-up subscribers link on your YouTube channel. For this one you have to open YouTube Creator Studio and then you have to scroll down, click on customization and then you have to click on basic information. Scroll down. At the top you will see your previous YouTube channel link, which is very long and hard to memorize. You have to click on custom URL and you have to decide your short YouTube channel link. And then you have to click on publish to save your changes. After doing that you have to copy this link. You have to open new tab, paste the link here and you have to remove this part. And now you have to add this code along with your YouTube channel link. !sub underscore confirmation equal to 1. Now we'll test this link whether this one working or not. You have to copy this link. Now we'll open another browser and we will paste here. So here you can see our pop-up subscriber link is working fine. So with this pop-up subscribers link, viewers can easily subscribe your YouTube channel. Now you have to short this link with bit.ly or any other short link site and you have to paste this link in your video description. You have to go to description and you have to paste the link here in description. You have to paste this pop-up subscriber links into your each and every YouTube video description box. And you have to save it. So with this way you will get so many YouTube subscribers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.